Welcome, folks. As of 2026, many people face the challenge of escaping debt quickly due to factors like inflation and high interest rates. Rising inflation has increased living costs, making debt repayment more challenging and urgent for millions worldwide. High interest rates, averaging 7–8% on credit cards, compound debt rapidly, requiring immediate action. This video provides a step-by-step guide to achieving faster debt relief through strategic and disciplined approaches. Note that individual circumstances vary, and you may want to consult a financial advisor. Start by calculating your total debt, including all balances from credit cards, loans, and other obligations. Don't forget to note the interest rates on each debt and the minimum monthly payments required. Use free online tools like Credit Karma to get a comprehensive view of all your debts in one place. These tools pull data from your credit reports to show your current balances and interest rates accurately. Pay special attention to high-interest debts, such as credit cards, with annual percentage rates of 20% or higher. These are the most expensive debts and should be your top priority for repayment to minimize interest costs. Having a clear picture of your debt situation allows you to create an effective repayment plan. Use debt calculators to track your progress and estimate payoff timelines. Remember, knowing exactly what you owe is the crucial first step toward escaping debt fast and achieving financial freedom. Developing a detailed budget is essential for escaping debt fast. A budget tracks all your income and expenses, giving you a clear picture of where your money goes. Tools like spreadsheets or apps can help create visual representations of your budget, comparing planned versus actual spending. Budgeting apps like EveryDollar make it easy to categorize your spending and monitor progress. Review your expense categories to identify non-essentials like subscriptions, entertainment, or dining out. Cutting non-essential expenses, such as streaming subscriptions or unused memberships, can free up 20–50% of your income. This extra cash goes directly toward debt payments. A solid budget is crucial for freeing up the cash needed to tackle your debt effectively. To accelerate debt repayment, explore ways to increase your monthly income through side gigs. Gig economy apps like Uber offer flexible opportunities to earn extra money driving or delivering. Freelance platforms allow you to leverage your skills in writing, design, or other areas to generate additional income on your own schedule. Aim to generate an extra $500 to $1,000 per month through these income streams. This additional money can significantly accelerate your debt repayment efforts. When choosing a debt payoff strategy, you have two main options: the Avalanche method and the snowball method. The Avalanche method prioritizes paying off debts with the highest interest rates first, helping you save the most money on interest over time. The snowball method focuses on paying off the smallest balance debts first, providing quick psychological wins that build motivation. The snowball method is particularly effective for staying motivated. By clearing small debts quickly, you gain confidence and momentum, similar to how a small snowball grows as it rolls downhill. Studies show this psychological boost helps many people stick with their debt repayment plan. To decide between methods, consider your preferences. If you're motivated by logic and saving money, choose the Avalanche method as it typically costs less in total interest. If you need quick wins for encouragement, opt for the snowball method. Many experts recommend trying the snowball for smaller debts to gain momentum within 6–12 months. Whichever method you choose, aim to pay off smaller debts within 6–12 months to create positive momentum. This time frame helps you see progress quickly and maintain motivation throughout your debt repayment journey. Debt consolidation involves combining multiple debts into one loan with a lower interest rate. This can make payments more manageable and reduce the total interest you'll pay over time. One effective consolidation method is transferring high-interest credit card balances to cards offering 0% introductory APR for 12 to 18 months. This gives you a window to pay down the principal without accruing interest. Negotiation involves contacting creditors to settle debts for less than what's owed. Many creditors accept lump sum settlements, sometimes reducing the amount by 50% or more, especially if the debt is old or you're struggling to pay. Professional services like National Debt Relief can help facilitate these negotiations. By lowering your interest rates through consolidation or reducing the total amount owed through settlements, you can significantly shorten the time it takes to become debt-free. When debt becomes overwhelming, seeking professional help is crucial for severe situations. Start with debt management plans offered by credit counseling agencies, which consolidate your debts and negotiate lower payments. A debt management plan works by creating a structured repayment schedule with your creditors. Here are the key steps to create one. If debt management isn't sufficient, bankruptcy may be a last resort. Chapter 7 discharges most debts by liquidating non-exempt assets, while Chapter 13 allows you to keep assets and repay over time. Use this flowchart to determine which might apply to you. Chapter 13. Bankruptcy involves a court-approved repayment plan, typically lasting 3 to 5 years. Here's a breakdown of what monthly payments might look like. Always consult with a financial advisor or bankruptcy attorney to understand the implications, such as effects on your credit score and which assets are protected. Regularly, review your debt repayment progress to stay on track. Track balances, payments, and interest to see how much you've paid off over time. Automate payments to avoid defaults and maintain consistency. Set up automatic transfers from your bank to ensure minimum payments are made on time every month. Adjust your strategies as needed based on your financial situation and any economic changes. If interest rates change or your income shifts, switch between Avalanche and snowball methods for optimal results. Stay disciplined and informed to achieve a faster debt escape. Review your plan monthly, stay updated on economic trends, and maintain consistent payments for the best chance of becoming debt-free.
Thank you for watching. Please make sure to subscribe, like, and share. We'll see you next time.